Exam tomorrow and you still have hundreds of PDF pages left to study? Instead of manually reading and searching through everything, you can use Adobe Acrobat AI Assistant to summarise documents, answer questions, create flashcards, and even generate podcasts based on your study materials. First, open adobe.com/in/acrobat/online. Go to Generative AI and open PDF AI. Select the file you want to work with. Adobe Acrobat AI Assistant will automatically suggest a few prompts to help you get started. After generating the summary, Acrobat AI breaks everything down into key points. You can click on any of those references to instantly jump to the original page and read everything in context. You can also ask follow-up questions directly about the document. Then you can add additional PDFs. Click Add Files, choose another document, and press Add to PDF space. Now your AI assistant can analyse information from multiple documents at the same time. Next, let's create revision flashcards. Acrobat AI automatically creates study flashcards with important concepts and key information from your PDFs. You can also create notes using the Notes tab or open the Podcast tab to listen to an AI-generated podcast based on your study materials. Study smarter, sleep better with Adobe Acrobat AI Assistant.